Have you ever stopped to wonder what's actually swimming around in a single tiny drop of pond water? It might look clear and still to the naked eye, but beneath the surface, there's a bustling metropolis of microscopic life, creatures so small you'd never know they were there unless you took a closer look. Let's grab a microscope and zoom in together. At first glance you might think a drop of pond water is just, well, water. But the truth is, it's a hidden universe packed with living things that are constantly moving, eating, and interacting in ways that are both strange and fascinating. Take a look through the lens and you'll discover a secret world teeming with life. First up, let's meet the amoeba, one of the most famous pond dwellers. This tiny, shapeless blob moves by stretching its body, almost like it's crawling or oozing along the surface. It doesn't have a fixed shape, so it can squeeze and slide its way through the water, exploring every nook and cranny. When it's hungry, the amoeba wraps its body around its food. Imagine giving your lunch a big squishy hug, but way more intense. This process is called phagocytosis, and it's how the amoeba eats bacteria and tiny particles floating by. Next, let's say hello to the rotifer. These creatures are some of the most fascinating animals you'll find in pond water, and they look like tiny spinning wheels. Rotifers use rows of tiny hair-like structures called cilia to create currents in the water, which help them zoom around and sweep food right into their mouths. Watching them spin and twirl is like seeing a microscopic ballet in action. They're so incredibly small that hundreds, sometimes even thousands, could fit on the tip of a single pin. Yet despite their size, they play a huge role in the pond's ecosystem, helping to keep things balanced. And let's not forget about the paramecium, another superstar of the microscopic world. These creatures are shaped a bit like tiny slippers, and they're always on the move. Paramecia are covered in thousands of hair-like cilia that beat in perfect harmony, propelling them through the water at impressive speeds. It's almost as if they have built-in motors. Some scientists even call paramecia the race cars of the microscopic world because of how fast and agile they are. They can dart away from danger or chase after food in the blink of an eye. And these are just a few of the incredible creatures you'll find in a single drop of pond water. There are countless others, like tiny algae, water fleas, and mysterious bacteria, all living their best lives right inside that minuscule world. So, the next time you walk by a pond, remember, there's an entire hidden universe waiting to be explored, full of drama, adventure, and microscopic marvels you can't see with your eyes alone. If you're fascinated by this tiny world, hit like and let us know you want to dive even deeper with Facts with AI, and tell us in the comments, which pond creature would you want to meet first and what would you ask it if you could? The microscopic world is full of surprises and we can't wait to explore more with you.